Hi, it's Emily from WTI, and this is not your mother's dry shampoo, unless you're my daughter who steals my dry shampoo, in which case, I guess it is your mother's dry shampoo. I love this dry shampoo, and I love that it comes in a 3-pack so we can have one in every bathroom. This dry shampoo really allows me to extend the time between when I wash my hair. The cleaning action of it really does revitalize my hair so that it's not only less greasy as the grease absorbed by this dry shampoo, but it actually feels cleaner. It works super well. It doesn't leave white powder or white cast on my hair, and it just goes on really easily, and it has a very nice light fragrance. So I highly recommend this Not Your Mother's Clean Freak dry shampoo, and I love the 3-pack option here on Amazon, and I just think it's a really good value for your money. And that's my point of view.